Hello, welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we are going to listen to conversations about how to make an appointment. This video is divided into two parts, where the characters will schedule a meeting for a dental appointment and a meeting with a lawyer. There will be a listening comprehension quiz at the end of each scene. So, listen carefully and see if you get all of the questions correctly. Also, be sure to stay with us until the end of the video. We'll point out important words from the conversations, everyday slang, and the most common way to say things in English. Watch for these words and phrases in the subtitles. You'll find their meanings in the vocabulary section in the last part of the video. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's listen to a conversation between a receptionist and a patient as the patient schedules an appointment with a dentist. Let's see how their conversation goes, and don't forget to note the highlighted words for their meanings at the end of this video.
Good morning, Bright Smile Dental Clinic. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment, please. I'm hoping to see a dentist as soon as possible.
Sure. What is it for?
My tooth has been hurting for a few days now. The pain started last week and hasn't really gone away.
I'm sorry to hear that. We'll try to help you as soon as possible. Can you tell me which tooth is bothering you?
It's on the lower left side, toward the back. I think it might be a molar.
I see. Is the pain constant, or does it only hurt when you eat or drink something hot or cold?
Mostly when I chew, and sometimes when I drink something cold. It's been pretty uncomfortable. I've been trying to avoid chewing on that side.
Understood. Have you noticed any swelling or bleeding in that area?
No bleeding, but it does feel a little sore, especially when I press on it.
Thank you for letting me know. This sounds like something the dentist should check soon. Are you available sometime this week?
Yes, I'm free in the afternoons after work. I usually get off at around 3 p.m.
Okay, let's see. We have an opening tomorrow at 4 p.m. or on Thursday at 3:30 p.m. Which one works for you?
Tomorrow at 4 p.m. would be great.
Perfect. Are you a new patient or have you visited us before?
I've been there once before, about a year ago. I came in for a cleaning back then.
All right, I will check your records. Your appointment has been booked. The dentist will examine your tooth to see what treatment is needed.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Please arrive about 10 minutes early so we can update your information. If the pain gets worse before your appointment, feel free to call us.
Will do. I'll make sure to be there early. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care.
Here are some listening comprehension questions to see how well you understood the conversation between the receptionist and the patient. Why does the patient want to schedule an appointment with the dentist? The patient's tooth has been hurting for a few days already. Which tooth is it? The tooth is on the lower left side, towards the back. When is the appointment scheduled for? The appointment is scheduled for tomorrow at 4 p.m. So, did you get all the questions correctly? Let us know in the comments section. Now let's listen to another conversation between a secretary and a client as they schedule a meeting with a lawyer. Let's begin.
Good afternoon. Rivera and Associates Law Office. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to schedule a meeting with a lawyer, please. I was referred to your office by a friend.
May I know the purpose of the meeting?
I'm planning to sell a property and need some legal advice. I want to make sure everything is done properly and legally, of course.
Of course. We can help you with that. We handle property transactions regularly.
Thank you. I appreciate your assistance.
Is the property residential or commercial?
It's a residential property, a house and lot. It's been in my family for several years.
All right. Is the property located within the city?
Yes, it's here in the city. It's in a fairly accessible area.
Okay. Is this your first time consulting our office?
Yes, this will be my first time. I've heard a lot of good things about your firm.
No problem. The lawyer will need to review some documents later, but for now we'll schedule a consultation. During the meeting, the lawyer will explain the process and requirements.
That would be great. Thanks.
Would you prefer an in-person meeting or an online consultation?
I'd prefer to meet in person. I think it would be better to discuss everything in person.
Okay. Our earliest available schedule is on Monday at 2 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works for me.
May I have your full name and contact number, please?
My name is Carlos Mendoza. My contact number is 1234-567-890. You can reach me anytime during the day.
Thank you, Mr. Mendoza. One last question. This is just for our records.
Sure. Go ahead.
Are you the sole owner of the property?
Yes, the title is under my name only.
That's noted. Please bring a valid ID and a copy of the property title to the meeting if available. Any previous contracts or tax documents would also be helpful.
All right, I'll bring those.
Your appointment is confirmed for Monday at 2 p.m. If you have any questions before then, feel free to call us.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. We'll see you on Monday.
Before we review the key vocabulary from these conversations, here are some listening comprehension questions to see how well you understood the conversation between the secretary and the client. Why does the client want to schedule a meeting with a lawyer? The client wants to schedule a meeting with a lawyer because he plans to sell a property and needs some legal advice. Does the client want to meet the lawyer in person or online? The client prefers to meet the lawyer in person. When is their scheduled meeting? Their meeting is scheduled on Monday at 2 p.m. How many questions did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comments section. Now let's review the vocabulary from these conversations. First, we'll review some of the natural-sounding everyday phrases used by native English speakers. Watch the video again after you study the vocabulary words to learn them even better. And subscribe to see our other videos. As soon as possible, at the earliest time that can be done. I see. Used to show understanding or acknowledgement. We have an opening. There is an available time, spot, or position. Feel free to call us. Another way to say you are welcome to contact us if needed. That's noted. The information has been received and recorded. Now, let's review the key vocabulary used in the conversations. Appointment. A scheduled meeting at a specific time. Swelling. An increase in size or puffiness, often caused by injury or inflammation. Legal advice. Guidance given by a lawyer about the law or legal issues. Documents. Written or printed papers that provide information or proof. Consultation. A meeting to discuss concerns, options, or professional advice. Were the conversations relatable? Try using these conversations with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.